Sweetie, what are you doing? You're having a hard time sleeping. Just go to sleep, okay? Just come cuddle with me and go to sleep, okay? Everything's gonna be fine. Why do you have that? Why do you have that concerning look on your face? And why, why are you looking at me like that? Sure, sweetie, you can ask me a question. Am I a vampire? Yes, sweetie, I'm a vampire. Okay. Okay, good night. How come I never told you? Well, I thought it was kind of obvious. You know, you seen me drink blood. I never go outside during the sun or into the sun. I have fangs. You see me brush my fangs. I don't eat garlic. I thought it was kind of obvious, and not only that, every Halloween, I dress up like a vampire. So, yeah, I never told you because I thought it was kind of obvious, and we've been together for 3 years, and yeah. Not only that, like, my body's always cold, so. Why do I have a heartbeat? There's a really good explanation. I'm not full vampire, I was never bitten by a vampire, so I never really turned. My dad's vampire, and my mother's human, and I'm kind of like a hybrid, so I kind of have a little bit of both, and that's why I have a heartbeat, and I sweat, and sometimes I get nervous and shy. I mean, there's a whole movie on it called Twilight. One day we'll watch the whole series, and it'll just explain everything. So yeah, but anyway, sweetie, it's your bedtime. Okay, you need to go to sleep. Okay. All right. Good night. Sweetie, you can't sleep, can you? Just don't worry about it too much, okay? Everything's gonna be okay. When I first saw you, I thought you were like the most beautiful, absolutely drop dead gorgeous girl in the whole world. I did. I was like, wow, she's so beautiful. I mean, I was so nervous and scared to come up and talk to you. I mean, you were so beautiful. You were like the most beautiful girl I've ever seen in my life. But I knew that I had to come up and talk to you. So I did. And as I was walking towards you, and I remember this clearly, my heart was racing so much. My palms were sweaty. And I finally got up to you and I said, hi. And I remember when I said hi, the look that you gave me. You gave me the most disgusting look ever. Like, how dare this man ever come up to me and talk to me? I'm just kidding. I think you were shocked. But yeah, when I was making small talk with you, I was so nervous. I didn't even know what to say, or I didn't even know what I was saying. But when I asked you out and asked you for your number, I was surprised that you said yes. I think that was like one of the most happiest moments of my life. Okay, my little princess. Alright. It's time for you to go to sleep, okay? Okay. You, my dear, gotta wake up early tomorrow. So, go to sleep, okay? Alright. Good night, my little pumpkin. Good night, my little teddy bear. Good night, my little honeybee. Okay. Good night, my little princess. No, sweetie, you're not sleeping. What's wrong? You're hungry. Okay. Okay. I can make you some food. We have a lot of stuff in the freezer. I mean, last time we checked, we had pasta, lasagna, Alfredo. Yeah, like these burrito things called chimichangas. We have frozen corn dogs. Those are good. We have frozen hamburgers. Those are also good. We have ice cream, chocolate, vanilla, strawberry, and matcha. You want the lasagna? Yeah. I can make that lasagna for you. Give me 1 second, okay? Give me 1 second. Here you go, sweetie. I got you some food. Eat up, sweetie. Let's cuddle. Let's cuddle while you sleep.